Thought I'd take another video here. Monday, it's pretty clear out. You can see Cebu over there pretty good. The little sandbars out there. Cebu City. That's the South Reclamation area over there. So over where New Star is. Trees get in the way a little bit. That's our view here on a Monday morning. Cebu City. The hills of Bohol over there. Our chicken coop down there and pig pens across the way. What a view, huh? What a view of Cebu. Even the chickens like it. Can't complain. Getting a little warm today. Just another day in Bohol. You can see, I don't know if that's pandanus out there. You can see little sandbars out there. You can go take a little pump boat out to them for a couple $100. Spend the day out there on the sandbars. Bring your fins and mask, or bring a little fishing pole. Do a little shore fishing from the sandbar. Won't catch anything big, but catch a lot of little fish. Forget the name of that little sandbar there, but the next one there I'm pretty sure is pandanus. I might be mistaken though. Yeah, you can see Cebu pretty good today. That's the tower over there. I don't know, you can't really see New Star. I think the tree's in the way right there. I think New Star is right behind that tree there, or behind those trees. Then over this way is Mactan, and the airport's over this way. Lapu-Lapu. Yep, pretty nice view today. Pretty nice view of Cebu. Well, just thought I'd share the beautiful view we have today. Alright, take care all.